2025 GMC HUMMER EV SUV. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.